Namaste. In revision with Priti, we are continuing the worksheet of addition and subtraction. Shall we start, Priti?
Yes, Amma.
Okay. Color according to the color code. Okay. You have to color according to the color code. Some color codes are given here. You have to color according to it. Okay. First, 3 plus 6.
9.
Okay. If 9 is the answer, you have to color purple.
Papa.
Here. Next, 5 plus 4.
5 in the mind, 4 in the after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Again 9. I have to color purple.
Again 9, 2.
6 plus 3, 9. Good. And 4 plus 5?
9.
Yes, it's also 9.
Everything is 9 too.
Hmm.
Five plus 5 equal to 10.
For 10, it's a brown color. Two plus 3?
2 plus 3. 2 in the mind, 3 in the field. After 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is, 5 is black.
Black.
This is also black.
7 minus 2 equal to 5.
It is not a black.
Good. So black. Next, 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2, 4. 4 red.
Next, 5 plus 2?
Red.
5 plus 2?
4.
5 plus 2?
5 in the mind, 4. 2 in the field. After 5, 6, 7.
7. 7 is
Yellow color. Favorite pink is my really favorite.
for this also yellow.
I know.
But for this also.
I know.
Next, 10 plus 3.
10 in the mind, 3 in the
10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is pink.
Pink is my favorite colors. Pink is my favorite color.
Next, 5 plus 2.
5 plus 2. 5.
7.
Here also pink.
Yellow. For that.
Yellow.
For this 5 plus 2 and 7 plus 0.
I know.
3 plus 0.
3 plus 0. 4.
3 plus 0. 3. And 2 plus 1. 3. So what we have to put? Orange.
Orange is my favorite too. Orange is my favorite too.
4 plus 0.
4 plus 0. 4 plus
4.
4.
4 minus 0.
4 minus 0.
4.
4.
Have to put
Red.
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 0 plus 5.
5.
For 5, black. 15 plus minus 10.
15. 5.
Yes, I have to put black color. Next, 5 plus 1.
5 plus 1.
6.
6.
Green. Six plus 4. 10.
Color brown.
Brown. ತಂದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅದೇನದು ಹೊರಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 + 1 4.
Correct.
Six minus 3. 3. Orange.
My favorite.
10 minus 3. 7. Yellow. 15 minus 2.
30.
13.
The pink is my favorite.
Okay, tomorrow we will start numbers up to 50. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.